the feeder tank and the boiler run out of water. In normal use, it can happen that the feeder tank became empty. After then, the boiler water level drops below the side glass level. Let's see how this is working. I just lift out the feeder tank sensor from the water now, and everything working properly because the alert LED is blinking and the green LED is blinking there. Now let's move the side glass sensor above the water level and wait for a couple of seconds. And as you could see, the alert LED became solid on and the gas servo moved back to pilot position. And this won't change the position, so the gas servo will be off, and it means remove the model from the water and fill up the water tanks. Issues: voltage input. This unit is able to work if the supply voltage is between 4.7 volts and 15 volts, but I much prefer from 5 volt to 10 volt. If the input voltage drops below 4.7 volts, the alert LED and the red LED on the unit is blinking. If it drops below 4.5 volt, the alert LED and the red LED on the unit will be constantly on. So let's see how this is working. It is around 6 volts. Let's go down to 4.7 volts. Almost there. Just a little bit more. And as you can see, it is blinking. If I reduce it a little bit below 4.5 volt, it is constantly on. Insufficient water supply. If the boiler water level drops below the side glass sensor level, the water servo or the electric pump starts to work. But what will happen if it can't supply enough water into the boiler from the feeder tank? Let's move the side glass sensor above the water level. And, as you can see, everything starts to work properly. Now everything seems okay, the water servo is in active position, but after 30 seconds the alert LED starts blinking. If this case, the boiler water level reaches the side glass sensor level, everything goes back to normal. And now, yes, as you can see, it is blinking. It is showing that there is an issue. But if the water level goes back above the side glass sensor level, everything became alright. If the water level can't reach the sensor level, the alert LED becomes constant on and the gas servo moves to pilot light. In this case, remove the model from the water immediately. As you could see,